REDFIT was yesterday. The future is SKEDD direct plug-in technology. REDFIT IDC is a solderless, reversible direct plug-in connector with SKEDD technology and an insulation displacement connection. The SKEDD contact has flexible fork-type arms to adjust itself to the geometry of the mating partner. Conventional solutions need a mating connector. REDFIT IDC connects directly to the PCB, resulting in a low profile. The half-pitch PCB layout uses a space-saving design. REDFIT IDC SKEDD connector can be plugged multiple times by hand into the PCB. Plastic pegs act as a passive locking system that allows easy mating without using any additional tools. Reverse polarity protection ensures correct mating, prevents errors in assembly, and increases the process safety. During the plug-in process, no plastic deformation occurs between the contacts and the plated through holes. The SKEDD contact remains in an elastic state and allows reversible connection. SKEDD contacts via four-sided connection with the PCB. The four-way contact principle provides a reliable electrical connection. The REDFIT IDC directly results in saving space, time, material, and process costs.